Good morning everyone. We have completed question number 2. Here we are adding and subtracting 2 units of mass. So simple calculation you have to do here. 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 2 plus 1, 3. 1 plus 9, 10. 0 here, 1 up. 1 plus 1 plus 0, 2. Normal addition. Okay, if we have got here 10 or 20 to, like for example 8 plus 2, 10. So 0 we will write here and 1 we will write here. Don't put 1 here. Here only 3 digits will come when we are calculating kg and gram. Now we are doing the subtraction. 0 minus 4 not possible. 10 minus 4 is 6. 1 we have taken carry from here, so it will become 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Then we have 2 minus 9 not possible. 12 minus 9 is 3. So it is 3 kg 36 grams. Now the next question is Paul buys 10 bags of onions. So there are total number of bags is 10. Each bag has 8 kg of onions. So weight of one bag of onion is 8 kg. What is the total weight of the onions? Here you can do addition also and multiplication. Whatever you want you can do it. Your answer will be same. So I have already told you the first statement. Total number of onion bags is equals to 10. Okay, then weight of 1 kg of onions is equals to 8 kg. Now we have to find out the total weight of 10 bags is equals to 8. If you have been given value of one thing and you have to find out the value of many things, you have to multiply. So 8 multiplied by 10 is equals to 80 kg. Or you can add 8 kgs 10 times also, then also you will get 80 kg. Okay, now we have question number 4 here. If the cost of 1 kg of apple is rupees 78, again here we have been given 1 kg, cost of 1 kg of apple rupees 78. From here only you can make take the statement. What is the cost of 500 grams of apples? So the cost of 500 grams of apples we have to find. As you people know that 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams and 500 grams is equals to half kg. Okay, you know this thing. Half kg hota hai 500 grams. So here first statement will be cost of 1 kg of apples rupees 78. Cost of 500 grams of apple is equals to, how you are going to, because it is half of 1 kg, so that's why we are dividing it by 2. 78 we will divide by 2. Now how did you get that 100 grams is equals to 1000 grams is equals to 1 kg? You can say 1000 grams is equal to 1 kg. 1 kg is equals to 500 gram. 2 times 500 is coming, so you can say half kg plus half kg. Half kg plus half kg you can write here. Not this equals to part. Plus half kg. Okay, so 78 we will divide by 2. 7 does not come, 6 comes, 6 comes at the table of 2 at 3, so 1 will come down, and 8 we will write here. Now 7 minus 6 is 1, 8 minus here 18. 18 comes in the table of 2 at 9. So we have got the answer 39. So rupees 39. The cost of 500 grams or half kg apple is rupees 39. Now our next question is, if the cost if 250 grams of tomato cost rupees 24 grams, what is the cost of 1 kg of tomatoes? Okay, so very easy question. Cost of 250 grams of tomato is equals to 24. Now we know cost of 1 kg, or you can say 1000 grams of tomato is equals to 24 multiplied by 4. How did you get 4? Please look here. 1000 grams can be divided into like this: 250, 250, 250, 250. So 250 will be the 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have been given cost of 250 grams of tomato. So you can multiply by 4 so that you can get 1000 grams. So 24 we will multiply by 4. So here 4 4s are 16, 6 here, 1 here, 4 to the 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. So cost of 1 kg of tomato is rupees 96. Now this question I have given you homework yesterday. Tomato, here Sumit buys the following item and makes the mixed vegetable curry. What is the total weight of items in kg you have to find? Tomato is equals to half kg, you can write 500 grams. Peas is equals to 250 grams. Cabbage is equals to half kg, again you can write 500 grams. Capsicum is equals to 1 kg, you can write 1000 grams. Then potato is equals to 500 grams and beans is equals to 250 grams. So simply you have to add, change it into grams first and add, and then afterwards you will be able to get the total weight of the item in kg. You have to find it out. Okay, now let us come to question number 7. Question number 7 is a mango weighs 200 grams. How many mangoes will be there in Rohit bag if a mango weighs 200 grams? How many mangoes will be there in Rohit bag if he buys 4 kg of mangoes? The grocer sells 4 kg of mango for rupees 60 per kg. What will be the cost of each mango? Okay. Now here what we are going to do is, let me show it to you.